This is for Year 11 methods. It comes out of 3B, factorising trinomials, monic trinomials and non-monic trinomials. Question 7, an example of a monic trinomial, that is, the coefficient of the x squared term is 1, whereas question 8 is an example of non-monic. Okay, so if I do there's 3 terms, so I'm going to draw a crisscross. The two things that multiply to give x squared are x and x. The two things that multiply to give 18, well, it could be 6 and 3. However, they won't add to give me 7. So it could be 9 and 2, and I like 9 and 2 because 9 and 2. So the 6 and 3 won't give me just 7. However, the 9 and 2 will, and the negative is on the 9. Because when you multiply across the cross, you get 2x, x times minus 9x, adding them together, negative 7x. Beautiful. So these are my two factors, x minus 9 and x plus 2. So looking at part D, crisscross, a and a give a squared, 81, 9 nines, and then 9 plus 9 is 18. So that's actually a plus 9 all squared. It's a perfect square. When looking at question number 8, however, I need to consider the fact that I've got a 3 here. So I'm still going to do it the same way, crisscross, except that's 3x and that's x. And I could put 1 and 2, or I could put 2 and 1. And I'm thinking to get negative 7, if I put the 2 opposite the 3, that will give me 6x. And the 1 opposite the x gives me x. And since I need negative 7x, both of these are negative, which means that's negative and that's negative. Negative 7x is what I want. Therefore, here are my two factors, 3x minus 1 and x minus 2. Looking at D, the same process, 2x and x. I could do 2 and 2, however that's 4 plus 2 gives 6. I could do 4 and 1, but if I put the 4 down here and the 1 up there, I could get rid of those. That's looking good because 2x times 4 is 8x, x times 1 is x, add them together 9x. So I have 2x plus 1, x plus 4 are the factors for that one. And lucky last, it could be 12x and x, 6x and 2x, 3x and 4x. I need a bit more space here. Just wait for me for 1 minute. So all the possible combinations that give 12x squared could be 12x at x, 3x and 4x, 6x and 2x. And to get 6 and 1, it could be 6 and 1 or 1 and 6, or 3 and 2 or 2 and 3. And because this is negative, all of these would have to be negative. So I need to get a negative 17. So if the 6 was up against this one, 6 times 1, 2 times 6 is 12 and 6 is 18, that's no good. 6 times 6 is 36, that's no good. 6 times 2 is 12. 3 6s are 6, that won't give me 17. 6 and 3 is 18, and 4 won't give me 17. So I don't like 2 and 6. Let's try 3 and 4. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 6 is 24, they won't give 17. 3 6s are 18, minus 4 won't give 17. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12, that's no good. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. Ah, bingo! So 3 times 3 is minus 9x. 4 times 2 is minus 8x. Adding together, negative 17x. So what am I left with? 3x minus 2 and 4x minus 3 will be my two factors. So notice that I've got lots of different combinations on either side, and then I trial and error cycling through them all until I get negative 17x.